Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Hamster Kombat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure your Google account is signed in. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Hamster Kombat. Once you do that, a bunch of apps will be displayed on your screen. Note that none of the apps on this screen are original, because the actual Hamster Kombat app is only available on Telegram. So in order to start using it, you will have to download Telegram. Simply tap on the Telegram app tile at the top and download it. If you have the app downloaded, make sure to update it or some features might not work. Once done, open the app and sign into your account. After signing in, all of your recent chats will be displayed. Simply tap on the search icon at the top right corner and search for Hamster Kombat. Access the official app and then tap on the play button at the bottom left corner. So that's basically how you can download Hamster Kombat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.